to Smart Money AI. If today happens to be your first time coming across my channel, please kindly subscribe, watch the videos and make money. On this channel, I only make videos on how best you can make money online. You can testify to the videos here. This one I have video on how to make money from betting. Yeah, an AI tool that predict bets like crazy. Yeah, how to get free $40. In fact, I have lots of videos on how best you can make money online. So what do I have for you today? In fact, count yourself as being lucky for coming across this particular video, because it's going to be life changing and it's an evergreen something I'm gonna put forward for your consideration, and trust me, you're gonna love it. Today I'm going to show you how best you can maximize your Facebook account, your WhatsApp account, your Instagram. I'm talking about all your social media handles. I'm going to show you how you can monetize them. I mean, how you can make money daily from these accounts. Many people have WhatsApp, many people have Facebook accounts with thousands of friends, thousands of followers, but they actually don't make money. What pity me is having a smartphone and at the same time going broke, or having a smartphone and at the same time using your own money to buy bundle. Why don't you be watching videos on my channel? I actually don't know why you've not subscribed to Smart Money AI, because there are lots of money making videos here that will blow up your mind. So without much ado, let's dive in. All right, guys. So I was on Facebook today. This actually my Facebook account, right? Let me show you something. My Facebook account with almost 5,000 friends. As you can see, you see I have more than 5,000 friends. So having an account like this, what prevents you from making money, right? So I was on Facebook today and something crossed my mind that though I've been doing it day in day out, but I was like, wow, so why don't I teach this my subscribers how I make this money from Facebook? So let me show you something. Everyone watching this video, or wherever you are, on whatever country you're watching me from, will bear me witness that when you come on Facebook, look at something here. You see we have Gigi buy and sell online here, right? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I want to show you some things. There are lots of marketplaces on Facebook. So let's search for this page. Tell it all business. So all you got to do in this process is to go to Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platforms and go to the marketplaces. I'm talking about the pages, the groups that promote buy and sell products, right? So look at something here. I saw a post here today. It's saying um post your ads in the comments. Buyers are eagerly waiting. Connect, sell, and find what you're looking for. Start now. This was posted 28 minutes ago. And look at something here. The group contains 45,000 members. Many are in groups with hundreds of thousands of members, yet they are not taking advantage of what's being shared there. So I need one particular post I saw. Yes, this post, it says what? Please feel free to showcase your ads below in the comment section. Now people are going to post what they sell, right? What they have in possession that they want to exchange it for money in the comment section. You can imagine, look at all these tabs. Look at all these tabs. So what we are going to do is we are going to sell these products, right? They are those that posted are the sellers, right? We are going to act as intermediates, like as middlemen, to help consumers, to help these goods reach consumers. So let's look at this one. It's saying what? Size 40 Ghana cedis, 120 Ghana cedis, right? And he's located in Accra. Just look at the shoe. Just look at it. You see, it's so amazing, right? So how are we going to do this? First, let's chat this person. Let's give him or her a message, right? You don't just So hello, about the shoe you posted. Even this message is enough, right? So when the person replies, you you have to chat with the seller to know that he or she is genuine. One, make sure you are not dealing with any scammer or any fake seller, else you may ruin um um your glory. Like you may tarnish your image in the presence of your followers. You see that? So just give the person a message like this, because we've already downloaded the shoe. Now let me show you something here. Let's go to WhatsApp. Even for this, I'm only going to WhatsApp. Look at something here. Okay, so the person was selling it for 120 cedis, right? Okay, so look at something here. I am going to post the thing on my WhatsApp status. Look at something. Okay, that's it. Okay, so 135 cedis, right? So just that, and I'll post for 135 Ghana cedis. Remember, the person posted it for 120 cedis, right? And I have posted it for 135 cedis, meaning I've added almost 15 Ghana cedis, right? And one thing is, you see, I left the seller a message, right? Once he or she replies, I'm now going to talk to him for commission if I'm to bring in a seller. So let's say someone buys it from me, I'm going to get a commission from the person, and this is how we are going to sell this product. Listen, you don't have to own the money. You don't have to have 120 cedis in your wallet before you do this. You just have to post the thing. Now this is how it goes. Any person that will contact you, take the person's money. After you are convinced that the seller is a genuine person that means business, you just take the money, take the buyer's details, his location, his number, the size he want, the color, everything. Send it to the seller, right? And the money you took, talk to the seller, right? Take your commission and send the seller the rest. Now he or she will send the parcel, the goods, to the person that needs it in the form of parcel. You are done. So you were just in your room, you went on Facebook, downloaded something, and then posted. You find a buyer, you make your money. So let's say, okay, let's go into the group again. I want to show you guys so many stuffs, right? I want to show so many stuff. So with this, it's not only WhatsApp you can sell it. You can post it on Facebook. You can even in this same group, you can still post it. Let me even post it. Okay. You can go into marketplaces like tonaton.com, gigi.com, every marketplace at all. On WhatsApp group, you see there are buy and sell WhatsApp groups. You can just be downloading these images. Let's see what people are posting here. Okay, so this person is selling some watches. I'm actually not interested. Okay, though it's very nice, but I'm not interested. Okay, look at this shoe. Imagine 250 cedis, size 43 plus watch. You see, okay, I need something that will easily catch. I'm not really interested in this stuff, so let's move on. We will find other ones. Sometimes post like fridges. You see, like ladies wear. You see, ladies really buy stuffs more than men, right? Okay, so wow, 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 wow. Look at something here. Look at something here. You see this person, beauty by AK. She sells, I think, I don't know if it's the mattress, or I think it's the best price, right? Look at nice, nice, nice best price. You can just download these images, post on your Facebook. Okay, Helena Ajamai is selling okay, Linus Kitchen pre-order. I'm not interested in something like this. Okay, this is a whitening body something. I'm still not interested. I need something that will easily draw attention. Okay, listen, look at something here. You see, there are sometimes some people will be moving from their apartment to a different apartment, right? And by so doing, especially the rich people, they normally do away with most of their belongings, like cylinder, like television sets, like staffing chairs, like they actually don't need it in don't need them anymore, and they usually don't give them out for free. So they would like to at least sell it at a bit cheaper price, add some, and then buy another. So look at, if you have an old used items you want to sell at good price, please post it here. Please, I said use items, add location. Now let's go under the comment section. So you can find opportunities like this almost everywhere. Look at this person is selling LG TV 32 inches for 1200. You see that mini cooker. This person is selling cooker. It's not a used one though. 120 location. She's at home. Look at something here. Even this is an opportunity, guys. This is an opportunity. This person is saying what? I want a small freezer, right? I want a small freezer. Now let's look at the comments under it. Okay, so someone has posted this at what? 1300, right? Okay, let's drop a comment. So is it negotiable, your contact? You see, meaning the person is really interested, right? So let me also comment, I can be of help, so that I'll get notification and can make reference to it easily, right? So this person is selling this small freezer for 1300, right? 1300 cedis. Okay, let me also ask something. Please, your name and location, right? So we can just download this. Let's go and try to make some cool money out from it, right? Okay, we are going to post it, right? Let's go and, okay, no, we are not posting it here. And that same post, let's post it, right? And I'll add only 50 Ghana cedis on the same Facebook post, right? So he said 1,000, let's make 1,355 cedis. Then we post, right? Obviously someone is going to contact me. You see that? Oh my god, look at shoe, look at this shoe. Ladies, this Eve descendant sometimes can be worrisome. Oh my god. So guys, look at, someone is selling this wardrobe for 500 Ghana cedis. Just imagine, just that her camera isn't that bright. So West Legon, see, ice cream freezer. Just imagine, guys, this is an ice cream freezer. Let's take screenshots of this person's contacts, because we may need it. I don't know if it's still available though, but there are so many contents. You say 4,000 Ghana cedis, but negotiable. How much? Blah blah. Meaning people are really interested, right? So let's also post this same thing, right? Right? Good. So he said 4,000. So let's make it 4,150 Ghana cedis, right? Then we post. If someone is to contact me, because some people are lazy, they may not read all the comments. So if someone by chance contact me, I will just link up to that person fast, take the money, send to the person, then he or she will send it to the buyer. It's as simple as ABCD. So guys, I think this video will go a long way to change how you perceive your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, and those stuffs. Please make money from this tutorial. Come back to the comment section later on and let's all vibe. May we all be rich. See you another time. Remember, it's always get ready or die trying. See you another time. Bye bye.